48 Timeless Life Lessons You Can Learn from Nature. A tree which moves some to tears of joy is in the eyes of others only a green thing which stands in the way. But to the eyes of the man of imagination, nature is imagination itself. William Blake. Every morning was a cheerful invitation to make my life of equal simplicity, and may I say innocence, with nature herself. Henry David Thoreau. Nature is the art of God. Dante Alighieri. Stop the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Nature is the source of all true knowledge. Leonardo da Vinci. Use only one master. Nature. Rembrandt. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Zeno. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. William Shakespeare. The poetry of the earth is never dead. John Keats. Nature is pleased with simplicity. Sir Isaac Newton. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Ralph Waldo Emerson. If you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. Francis Hodgson Burnett. All the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. An Indian proverb. The earth laughs and flowers. Ralph Waldo Emerson. He who plants a tree plants hope. Lucy Larcom. Nature is the symbol of eternity. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. A garden is a friend you can visit any time. A Victorian proverb. The sky is the daily bread of the eyes. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Gerald de Nerval. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. The mountains are calling and I must go. John Muir. Flowers are a proud assertion that a ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities of the world. Ralph Waldo Emerson. All things in nature invite us constantly to be what we are. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. A tree is known by its fruit, of man by his deeds. Saint Basil. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and dependent on it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. Galileo Galilei. Nature never hurries. Atom by atom, little by little, she achieves her work. Ralph Waldo Emerson. In the presence of nature, a wild delight runs through the man, in spite of real sorrows. Ralph Waldo Emerson. There is a pleasure in the pathless woods. There is a rapture on the lonely shore. Lord Byron. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. William Wordsworth. The winds and the waves are always on the side of the ablest navigators. Edward Gibbon. The mountains, the forest, and the sea render men savage. They develop the hardy, the daring, the strong. Victor Hugo. I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately. Henry David Thoreau. Glory of the garden is the multitude of its flowers. Thomas Fuller. Nature has great simplicity. Thomas Carlyle. The sun, the moon, and the stars would have appeared long ago had they not waited for man to discover them. Galileo Galilei. Every leaf speaks bliss to me. Emily Bronte. The earth is the mother of all people, and all people should have equal rights upon it. Chief Joseph. Nature is a mutable cloud, which is always and never the same. Ralph Waldo Emerson. In seed time, learn. In harvest, teach. In winter, enjoy. William Blake. Air is sweet, the sunshine bright, the earth a paradise. William Cullen Bryant. The mountains are earth's undecaying monuments. Nathaniel Hawthorne. Nature is love, and love is nature. Thomas Brown. The earth, the heavens, the sea, and the sun are all filled with the wonder of creation. Cicero. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. Ralph Waldo Emerson. What is a weed? A plant whose virtues have not yet been discovered. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The poetry of the earth is the music of the rain. John Keats. The human spirit is enriched by the contemplation of nature. Seneca. Nature is the art of God. Its beauty is eternal. Dante Alighieri. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wisdom and Well-Being for more.